So I applied for the Kamchàtka lab because we've been doing some outdoor work, some performances in the last couple of years. Their work is really clear, their intention, their methodology, and then they're obviously so experienced in sharing that.
So cool to be here. Yeah, when you're running a company, you don't often get to focus on your own practice so much, and being able to be here for this week, for these few days, and working with the guys from Kamchàtka has been so valuable and just so enjoyable. I've learned so much about the simplicity, the stillness, simplicity, really listening, of course, as well, but how effective very little is.
We actually went into Newbury Town Centre on the second day of the lab and implemented the games and the practice, and just to see the response was so incredible. The people of Newbury just really responded and were interested.
I've enjoyed this week so much because it stretched me and challenged me, but also just opened me up to a whole different way of working and principles that some bits were in me, but it sort of connected bits that hadn't connected before and will make me see things really differently, I think.